In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to craft an About page on Wix, a popular website builder. First, ensure you have your Wix account ready and your site open. We begin by navigating to the Wix editor. For those new to the platform, the editor will be the interface where you will manage and design all aspects of your website. Moving on to the next step, look for Pages and Menu on the left-hand side of the editor. This icon will often look like a piece of paper, making it easy to identify. Clicking on this icon will open up a whole new dashboard for you to manage the different pages on your site. Having opened the Pages and Menu dashboard, you would want to create a new page. To do this, find the Add Menu Item button at the bottom of the Site menu panel. Clicking on this button will lead you to select New Page from a drop-down. This will allow you to add a brand new page to your website. After selecting New Page, Wix will provide you with an array of diverse page templates. To find the About page templates, look for the About category on the left side of your screen. Take some time to browse through the pre-designed About page templates. They're sure to inspire you and give your page a professional touch. Once you've chosen a template, you'll want to add it to your website. Hovering over the chosen About template will reveal an Add Page button. Click on this and your chosen About page will be added to your site. Alternatively, if you prefer a more custom design, you can add a blank page and design it entirely from scratch. Following this, it's time to name your new About page. Adding a name such as About or About Us will give visitors a clear understanding of what information they will find on the page. Now that your page has a name, it will be added to your website's main menu. Once named, the content customization process starts. Here you can add a variety of elements such as text, images, and strips. Consider using this space to introduce yourself, share your story, showcase your team, or whatever helps tell your unique story better. When you're completely satisfied with your new About page, don't forget to hit the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Publish makes your About page live, enabling your audience to learn more about you and your team. So that's it. You've created an About page on Wix.